In this video, I'm going to show you how you can blur or censor important information, sensitive data, when you're making a training video or a video recording. So you can see here on my Trello board, I've got all of these different individual cards blurred, and I'm going to show you how you can do this as well. You can blur literally anything on the screen, any element, and it's useful when you're creating training videos. So you can see if I go ahead and refresh the page, these cards will stay blurred, and there you go. And I can also move around on the screen and interact with the screen, and everything is still going to stay blurred. Now to do this, I use a tool called Zero Blur. So go to Google and just go ahead and search for Zero Blur. So once you've done a Google search for Zero Blur, you can go ahead and open it. It is a Chrome extension. You'll probably be able to find it for Firefox as well, but go ahead and open the Chrome Web Store and it will take you here. Here you can see Zero Blur. Go ahead and then click and add it to Chrome. Now once you've got it to Chrome, it will then be in your extensions, so you can go ahead and click here and enable it. Now I've got my Zero Blur extension running on Trello, so if I go ahead and click on the icon, we can then enable or disable this. For the video, I'm going to click Edit Blur and just remove all of the current blurred icons. So to blur any information, click on Zero Blur, enable it, and then this window will pop up. Then you can click on the first one, and now you can select any element. So we can select this whole section here if we wanted to. We can select individual elements, and literally anything on the screen you can blur. You can also select the second one down and blur from like different dimensions. So if you want to blur this whole section, you can do. Once you're happy with your blur, you can go ahead and click on the X, and then you can move around your screen. You can go ahead and make your presentation, and all of your sensitive info will be blurred. Even if you refresh the page, it is still going to be blurred. Then if you want to unblur it when you've done, click on the blur icon, click Edit Blur, then click the trash can icon, and then click the X. You also want to make sure you disable it as well, but that's how to do it. I hope that helped you out.